So first thing that you're going to do today is make sure you put your name on your paper. And you either have your name section at the top or the bottom. And then you're going to be drawing a value scale here in these boxes. Now, I didn't format these right. So some of your papers, if you're on the bottom of it, you're missing this notation, drawing a value scale. But what you're going to do is start from either dark and going to light or the other way around. I'm going to mark mine. So I'm going to start from dark and I'm going to go to light so I can remember what I'm doing. Okay, so you're going to get 5 distinct different values of your pencil. Okay, so I'm going to go as dark as I can here. So I'm pressing hard, but I'm not breaking the pencil. So that is as dark as my pencil will go. Okay, so now here I'm going to press lighter, and now this is when we're going to have to do some going back and forth between the different shades. So I'm pressing lighter here, filling this in. Now I'm going to go to the next one and press a little lighter. So here for the lightest, I use the edge of my pencil and I put down some graphite and I am smearing it around. So that might not pick up on camera very well, but it's there. So now I'm going to look at this one and it's very similar. So I'm going to go a little bit darker here. I'm adding some more graphite and I'm going to smear it around with my finger inside the box. And I'm trying to go for having it be just a little bit darker. Okay, so now these two are the same, so I need to go a little darker here. You see how now I'm using the edge of my pencil? It just helps you control it a little bit better. So mechanical pencils don't really work for this kind of drawing that we're going to be doing. And again, I'm going to go a little darker here again. Okay, now I've got 5 distinct different shades here, okay, in my value scale. And I forgot to put my name on it. And this says do not answer until the end of the project. So I am not doing anything here, okay? Once I'm done with this, then I would show my teacher. So you're going to show me what you have, okay? And then if I agree that you're ready, you're going to get final paper and you're going to be looking at your sculpture that you made. And you need to include 2 of the fortune tellers in your composition and 2 of the strips, okay? So the composition is how you lay it out on your paper. That means that I have to include a view somewhat like this, okay? I can have full or just partial. So here are some different photos so you can kind of see, like here's the composition. There's 2 fortune tellers and there's more than 2 of the strips in here. Okay, here's another composition, another way to lay that out. Another way to lay that out, okay? So in this video, you're looking straight down on this, and I'm looking at it from the side. So I'll show you what I have here in just a minute. So here I made a line and I decided it was in the wrong spot. So instead of erasing it and then fixing it, I just fixed it, and now I'm going back and erasing it. People tend to go in and make the same wrong line again if you erase first. So it's just a little tip. Okay, so now to draw one of these twisted papers, I'm going to start with this top edge here. I'm looking at my sculpture, looking back at my paper, trying to make them match. And you can't see me doing that because I don't have a film crew here. So now I'm going to work under this line because I see that, but you don't see that from your view. And then it comes back up. This comes over. Okay, so that's a start of one of those strips. So then I would continue on and I would need to get this fortune teller in as well. And then one of the other strips in there too. So right now, all I'm going for on here is a line drawing that is everything's in the right spot and everything is the right size.